Okay, continuing the video tour on stock number 4118, the 23 4-star. This is a 16.5-foot trail boss conversion with a loft in it, and we'll go around and kind of show you some of the cool upgrades and features on this trailer. Got some upgraded sconce lights, sofa sleeper with the tufted trail boss kick panel, real big tall overhead cabinet storage. Trailer's got 2 AC units. I believe it's a 7,000 watt gas generator. I'll have to verify that actually though. .60 fridge. Little wardrobe hanging closet up here. Custom headboard. That's your DVD player. Custom valances. Another TV set up there. Lots of headroom in here. It's real nice. One cool thing I want to show you, both the backsplash in the kitchen and the bathroom have this really cool feature where they light up. So it's like it's a backlit backsplash. They've also got all the backlit countertops on here. Recessed cooktop. It's got the big 10-gallon hot water heater on it. Some storage in the nose there. It's got these really cool black ceramic sinks. The pull-out faucet. Micro-convection oven. It's got the shelving option. These are all backlit as well. Got your dinette sleeper with access doors. Give you the view from up front here. And your roof starts raising up. Trail Boss has this ladder on like a rail and hook system, so you just pick it up, slide it over, and you can go up to your bunk area. You could probably actually fit a king mattress up here, no problem. It's got a second television set up here, DVD player. AC's ducted up there as well. Take a peek in this bathroom. Leather covered on the porcelain stool. That's the hamper with the exterior access door. Carpeted shelving in your linen. And again, this is all backlit, so you can. That's off. That's on. And then this mirror is backlit as well. It has some different tones you can change the color to. Kind of cool. We got the central vac with the dustpan kit on it. That's how you access it to change your filters and bags. Got a really nice upgraded solid surface 34-inch shower in here with the seat. Glass doors. It's got the courtesy light package inside as well. Double pull wardrobe with lights in the closet. Here's your other thermostat. These have dimmers on them as well, which is nice. Your control panels up in here. So we've got your electric awning switch, hydraulic slide switch. That's going to be your monitor panel, and your generator start-stop switch. Generator's got like 19 hours on it. Just pretty much from all just demos. Pocket sliding screen door. It's a really nice trailer, and being sold at about $80,000 under original asking price. So it's a good way to step into one without you know, immediately being upside down upon purchase. But thank you guys for following along, and like I said, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button before you go. And you'll always be one of the first ones to get the notifications for new and used inventory that we post. Thank you.